Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located in beautiful Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 2018 GMC Canyon. Power for this Canyon comes from a 3.6 liter 6-cylinder engine mounted to an automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. Starting at the front, we can see we've got fog lights and this really nice chrome grille. Coming around the side, we've got our running boards down there and our color matched mirror with black accents, color matched door handles, and tinted privacy glass. This Canyon has a lot of great features inside, including a navigation system, heated seats, and it also includes a tow package. Let's pop inside and take a look at what it has to offer. This Canyon does include factory installed remote start and your keyless entry. If we come on up and take a look at the interior, we can see we've got cloth, dark gray seats in premium condition with white stitching. Coming around to the back, we actually have a lot of room back here. You can have 3 passengers, or if you only have 2, we've got our fold down center console that has some cup holders and a little bit extra storage space. Opening up the door, we've got our power locks, power windows, and power mirrors, which include power folding mirrors. This truck does have power driver's seat. And coming over here, we've got our rear view mirror, which includes auto dimming. And there is your locking differential right there and your different 4-wheel drive options. Hopping on in. If we take a look at the steering wheel, on this side we've got our cruise control. Moving over here, we have our hands-free Bluetooth calling and our audio controls. So let's start it up. As you can see, it's got the ice warning, which we can dismiss. And using your steering wheel controls, you can scroll through some different information on the screen. It's got the tire pressure monitor, your fuel economy, battery voltage, oil pressure, engine hours, and your trailer brake. Moving down here, we have our climate control system with air conditioning. And coming down here, we've got our heated seats, our hazards, traction control, and our bed light, and our trailer tow control there. As you can see, we also have auxiliary input jack and a USB input. Moving on up to the top, we are currently on our audio. It is satellite radio ready. We can also jump to our navigation system. There's our phone. And this is our backup camera. It does have guidelines for you and a bit of parking assist. Coming down here, we've got our shifter and our cup holders and some really nice wood grain accents there. Right over here, we've got a nice big storage area. And then down here we've got our glove box, and it does come with the original owner's manual. We turn around, we can just take another look at the back. Now let's pop around back and we will take a look at the bed of this truck. So around back you can see we've got our 4x4 badging. It is riding on 17-inch alloy wheels. We've got our Canyon V6 and SLE badging there as well. And down here you can see your trailer hitch. And there is our power outlet right there for your brake lights. This truck comes with a hard tonneau cover, locking tailgate, and it has the tailgate dampener so you don't have to worry about it slamming. We do have lots of room in here with a spray-on bed liner There's hooks to secure your cargo. And the tonneau cover does come up or off. The rear window does slide open if you want to get a bit of air in there. And overall, this is just a great looking truck. Thank you for watching this video about this 2018 GMC Canyon. If you have any comments, please leave them below. If you'd like to take this truck for a test drive, please stop in at 1200 Leith Head Road in Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada. Or you can give us a call, and any of our fabulous product advisors will be happy to give you more information. You can also visit our website 24/7 at KelownaToyota.com to get more information on this truck or browse the rest of our new and used inventory. You can send us a message via our website and somebody will get back to you ASAP. You can also check out our Kelowna Toyota Facebook page or Instagram account. We hope everybody's having a great winter season. Drive safe, and we look forward to seeing you soon.